Hey y'all, what's good? What's poppin'? It's your girl Jay. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future uploads. So, in today's video, jingle bells, jingle bells. So today's video is going to be all about my vegetarian meal prep. Now, you're probably like, vegetarian? What? Girl, say what? So for the month of January, I decided that I would do a 30-day vegetarian challenge, and I have a video all about it coming soon, so I won't get too in deep with it in this video, but there will be a future video all about that. I was so opinionated and felt so strongly about vegetarian and vegan diets, but I had never done it before. So I was like, if you're gonna be all this talk, you need to be the action too. So I need to like try it before I speak on it. So that's what I decided to do, but this is gonna be a video about basically how I just prep, so that way I can stay on track. I have food made at all times. I don't have to worry about cooking every single day. It's already made. I just microwave it and enjoy it. But wants to say hi. Say hi, baby. Say hi. So basically what I've been eating for the last week and a half is like a homemade Chipotle bowl. I lately have been really obsessed with Chipotle. I used to not like it as much when I was like a year ago. I used to be like, oh, can't stand Chipotle, but it's grown on me so much. But going to Chipotle every day can add up. It's not the best. You don't know everything that they're putting in your food, even though, you know, they're supposed to be fresh, but you still never know. And it's also cheaper to make it at home. So that is what this meal prep video is. It's a vegetarian Chipotle bowl. So basically it's simple. All you need is your rice, your beans, your veggies, corn, salsa, sour cream, cheese, and avocados, so you can make your bowl. Also, in order to help me lose weight, I have restricted my calories to 1,450 calories a day, and I find that I'm able to eat a good amount of food, be full, and not overeat. I also have room to have like a dessert every other day or whenever I have room to. So like if I wanted just a dessert, I'll have a healthy choice fudge bar, or I may have a Haagen-Dazs like ice cream bar. Oh my god. Or sometimes I'll eat like a breakfast, I guess. I might have apples or fruit or bagel, so stuff like that. But yeah, this is the main portion of my eating, I guess. This is mainly what I eat. But yeah, so I only eat once a day because I don't know, my body just, that's like all I need. I like eating a shit ton of food in one sitting and being full for the rest of the day. It may not work for you, but it works for me, and so I'm gonna let the clips roll of me prepping. I hope y'all enjoy this video. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at jbeauts, so that way you're always in tune with what's going on. Roll the clips, chief.